Hello student, second standard maths, fifth topic subtraction. Today I teach you 5.5 subtraction word problem. Subtraction word problem. When we do the subtraction in the words problem, they are coming. Which word? Taken away. How many left? How many left? Difference. Remainder. How many more? How many more? This word coming, that time you do the subtraction. Understand? That time you do the subtraction. Okay. See here, student. Taken away, how many left? Difference, remainder, how many more? This word coming in the words problem, that time you do the subtraction. That time you do the subtraction. Means what? See, you have 3 chocolates. Okay, you have 3 chocolates. You given there 2 chocolate to your younger sister. You give to the 2 chocolates your younger sister. So, how many chocolates you have? How many chocolates you have? Yeah, how many left? How many left chocolate you have? How many remaining chocolate? What is the difference of you and your sister's chocolate? Okay, that time you do the subtraction. See here, page number 86, exercise. I teach you with exercise question. Okay, I don't take here more questions. Read and underline the word. The suggest subtraction in each word problem. Find the difference and write a statement. Write a statement. First one. The class teacher had 60 color pencils. Class teacher had 60 color pencils. 40 color pencils were given away to the children. Were given away to the children. How many color pencil were left? See here, how many is here? Left is here. How many left? That time what you do? Subtraction. That time what you do? Subtraction. See here. First one. Which one is biggest number? 60 or 40? 60 is biggest number. So write there. First 60. Greatest number. First one write. Then 40. Give to the children. Okay. How many total pencils? 60. And pencil given to 40. 0 minus 0. 0. 6 minus 4. 2. What is the answer? 20 color pencils were left. 20 color pencils were left. Understand? All of you understand? Next one. There are 45 children in second standard. Standard second. 7 children were absent on Monday. How many children were present in the class on Monday? How many present? How many present? What do you? Subtraction. First what do you write? Total children. Total children. How many is there? 45. And how many absent children? Absent children 7. Absent children 7. 5 minus 7 is possible. See, you start from the ones. 5 minus 7 is possible. No, you take a carry. 15. Here 3. 15 minus 7 8. And 3 minus 0 3. Understand how many is there? Present student, how many is? Present children 38 is a children were present. Okay. Now C1, there were 93 fruits in a basket. 79 were sold by the fruit seller. How many fruits are left unsold? Left unsold. Okay. How many is there total fruits? Total fruits, how many there? 93. And how many sold there? Sold fruits, how many is there? 79. And this is a, you got here answer, unsold fruits. Unsold fruits. See, this title, how do you write? There were fruits in a basket. Means you understand that this is a total. Then 79 were sold. So write there sold. What sold? Fruits. Write there sold fruits. What answer you given? How many fruits are left unsold? Means unsold fruits you want. So write there on different side unsold fruits. 93 minus 79. You start from the ones. 3 minus 9 is possible? No. So take carry 1. Take carry 1 here. And here do the 1 minus. 13 minus 9, 4. And 8 minus 7, 1. How many unsold fruits? 14. 14 fruits are were left unsold. What is the next one? What is the difference between 54 rupees and 28 rupees? 54 rupees and 28 rupees. What you write here? What is the difference between rupees? Only write here. Okay, rupees. Here also write rupees. And here difference. Difference in rupees. Okay. Here given you total rupees? No. Only given rupees and rupees. So write there 54 minus 28. 4 minus 8 is possible? No. So take carry 1. 14 minus 8, 6. And 4 minus 2, 2. Understand? How many is difference? 26 rupees. Difference is there. Even there were 56 apples in the basket. The children ate 39 apples. How many apples are left? What is first? Total apple. How many apples are there? Total 56. And how many ate apples? How many is there? See. Read the question. 39. Correct. Okay. 6 minus 9 is possible? No. What you do here? Take a carry from the next number. First 2 here, minus 1 and give here carry 1 and here write as it is one's number. 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9, 7 and 4 minus 3, 1. What is answer there? 17 apples were left. Understand now? F and G is your homework. F and G is your homework. Next one. What's question? Meenal is 8 years old. Her brother Raj is 12 years old. The ages of her mother and father are 35 year and 33 year. And her grandmother is 57 years old. Find the following. Her mother and father are 35 years and 33 years. Okay. See here. Total age of Meenal and Raj is. Total age. What is here? Total. Total means what you do here? Plus 12 plus 8. How many is there? 20 years old. Only write there 20. Okay. What you do? 12 plus 8 is equal to 20 years old. Total age of Meenal and Raj 20 years old. Why 20? See, 8 is a Meenal age, 12 is a Raj age. So write there 12 plus 8 is equal to 20 years. Total age of Meenal's father and mothers. Father and mother frequently which? 35 and 33. 35 plus 33. Why you do here plus? You want here total. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 68 years. 68 years. Difference between age of father and Raj is. What you do here? Difference. Father age which? See here, the ages of her mother and father are 35 and 33. Father age is 35 minus Raj age is 12. Okay, I write here 35, but frequently see here, her mother and father are 35 and 33. Here, frequently you see, her mother 35, her father 33. So write there 33. 33 minus 12. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. What is the difference? 21 years. 21 years difference is there. How many years her grandmother is older than her father? How many years her grandmother is older than her father? What to do? 57 minus 33. Why? We want here also difference of grandmother and fathers. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. 24 years difference. Okay. Whose ages when we add give us the sum 90. Give us the sum 90. Whose age when we add given us the sum 90. We want here answer is 90. Okay. Her 57 plus 33 10 means which? Whose age? Her grandfather and grandmother and father age, we add give us the sum 90, okay, understand. Now subtract framing words problem, means what? In the addition we learn there how to do the words problem, see here, teach you again. In the classroom 80 boys and 30 girls. Boys, use here boys and girls statement, okay, boys and girls statement, okay. What you do? "80 boys and 30 girls", okay. We want here use here boys and girls. How to do the words problem? We do here a statement. We do here a word problem. There are standard second, there are in standard second 80 boys, okay, and 30 girls are there, 30 girls are there, okay. How many boys? How many boys? How many more? We want here how many more boys are there. Now read the question. There are in standard second 80 boys and 30 girls are there. How many more boys are there? See here, total boys 80, total girls 30, 50 more boys, and write their answer. 50 boys more than the girls. Understand how to do? All of you understand now? Okay. Now open your textbook. See, framing the words problem for each of the given subtraction fact and solve. Use the words given in the brackets. See here. First one, 25 minus 7 is equal to question mark pencils. We first do the question. Here specific name not right here. You want anyone's name, your friend name, your brother name, your sister name, you write here. I give only one example, okay. Problem, how to write the problem, how to create the problem. Given you one clue. 25 minus 7 is equal to question mark. We use here pencils, okay. Now see how to do the problem. Anuja have 25 pencils. 7 pencils given away to her friends. अनुजा के पास 25 पेंसिल थे, उसने 7 उसके फ्रेंड को दिए. तो फिर how many pencils were left? How many pencils were she have left? Okay. Here write how many total pencil. Write there 25. Pencils given away 7 pencil. How many pencils left? 5 minus 7 is possible? No. What to do? Take carry. 15 and here minus 1. 15 minus 7, 8. And 1 minus 0, 1. 18 pencils were left. 18 pencils were left. Understand how to do? Next one. B1. 10 minus 7 is equal to question mark in bracket toys. Okay. Now do the question. How to do? Vaibhav's mother bought 10 toys on Sunday, but he broken 7 toys on Wednesday. जब आपकी मम्मी कुछ खिलौने लाएगी तो आप 2 दिन में उसे बर्बाद कर देते हैं, वैसे ही. Vaibhav's mother bought 10 toys on Sunday, but he broken 7 toys on Wednesday. How many toys he have? Now, right here. Now, how many toys he have? How many total toys? 10. Broken toys, how many? 7. Okay. He have now toys. 10 minus 7, 3. He have 3 toys nowadays. Okay. Same also, 21 minus 12 is equal to question mark flowers. You solve this. Use their word problem. See this word problem you see and write their questions. Okay. D1 also, 80 minus 30 is equal to question mark girls and boys. This is also you do in homework. Okay. Now today's homework is page number 86, 87, 88 and 89 completed. Okay. Thank you.